Are you sitting comfortably? Then we'll begin. Guys, this is huge. There's videos going around the internet trying to artificially inflate the price of used two-stroke engines. This isn't a good thing for you guys that are still running two-strokes. I know you're thinking, well, I'll be able to sell my engine for more money, but it's going to cost you more money now to fix them. Let me explain. If we go back to the days of Chrysler and Force, I know, I like to revisit those guys. As soon as Force pulled the pin, or Mercury pulled the pin on Force, all the prices of the parts skyrocketed. What it was doing was, it was an attempt to move those engines, or move those people out of those engines into new engines, into a Merc or a Mariner. And it was successful. Look at Optimax engines. Optimax have been discontinued. Now the parts are getting more expensive. They're gonna push you guys out of Optimax. And now, with the rumors circulating around the internet with regards to let's make two-stroke engines more expensive, and I want to thank Chris for bringing this to my attention, it's a horrible thing, guys. It's horrible. It's the nail in the coffin, or the final nail in the coffin for the two-stroke engine. If this starts to happen, two-strokes are done. They'll wipe them right out, because the next logical step, if we've got a 90 horsepower engine that is now valued at $7,500 when it should be $4,000, it's not much of a stretch anymore just to buy a four-stroke and retire the old one if there's a lot of money that needs to be spent on that repair. The higher-ups know this. Now you guys know this, and you guys need to be in control. You guys need to be aware of this. You guys need to stop or refuse to let those prices escalate, because like I said, it's going to kill the engines. They're going to be gone if this happens. Anyway, answer in the comments below what you guys think about this, or not answer, mention or talk about this in the comments below. I want to hear from you guys. What's happening in your areas? Kijiji, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Are you guys seeing a steady rise in prices? We already know that you can't fix small engines anymore. You can't fix 7.5, you can't fix 9.9, you can't fix 9.8, because as soon as we drop the labor onto those engines for repair, even if we look at them for an hour, it exceeds the value of those engines. So those ones are gone. Those people are being forced into four-strokes. Guys, you got to come together on this. It's up to you. See you guys in the next video.